Good afternoon, students. Please ask your friend to join the session so we can start the session on time again. Hello, hi students. Please ask your friend to join the session so we can start the session. I'm just sharing my screen. Hi everyone, I hope I'm audible. Please ask your other friend to join the session. Hi students. Okay, let's get started. I'm just sharing my screen. We are just okay, still wait for the extra 1 minute. So what you are asking, sir? And about the live kit, can I use it for live interview agent platform as it open source, and are there any alternative instead of the for the same? The alternative I don't know about this Raj interviewing agent platform for the like interview agent platform means what the like what types of the things you have? You can use you want to implement it into your project. If you want to implement, you can go with this. You can go with this. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, everyone, I hope you can see my screen again. Now see, the previously we have seen the translation video, two video we have successfully translated, one in a Gujarati, second one is into the Hindi language. Okay, so two videos we have. The second thing what we have to again, the previously we were implementing this one, right? This one, the English learning agent with our Python code. So now it is also successfully working. So how you can see this, I will tell you. Okay, so we can just go here into this. As you can see, you have to make some changes. Do you have this video? Those who are doing with me, do you have this video? Sorry, this code with you? No. Chirag say no. Okay, not an issue. Means you are not doing this. If you are doing now from this, you can just copy. From where? See, this is the same code. From this, from the view code, this is the same code. I have just copied this. And for this, what I have done, I have just add the like install the libraries, which we can see. After installing this all libraries, after installing all these libraries, the problem was I was facing like there was the code is for the this voice agent code. Janish, I am writing the SQL and the unresolved issue regarding to the username mismatch between my files account and my Microsoft Learn profile. This is this. Okay, see this code you will get into this. See, you will get this code. See, previously you know the voice live agent, the where we have use it. Like I'm just resharing it because we need the voice. No? Also, we have to stop the recording.
Recording in progress.
With sound. Okay. So as you can see the Chirag, you can see this into this students. So previously see, recently we have done this video translation and into this we have seen the two videos, right? One we converted into the Gujarati and the second one is converted into the Hindi. Then after this, what you have to do? The previous one, the live, the voice live, that the previous one thing you can see here. From here, the language learning chatbot, the chat with the Ava, a learning companion with the assistants, students in the learning English as a second language, right? So this you can see, right? So from here, what you have to do, you have to go into the view code. So now this agent we have to implement, or we have to take into the front end. Okay, on the front end we have to take it. So for this, what you can do, you can just click on the language learning chatbot with the Ava. Once you click the same code, you can just copy it. The click here, view code. This is the option which you can see, view code. Just click here and copy all the code. Control A, copy all the code. Paste the same code here. Paste the same code here. Yes, language learning. The previously I have also shown you, you have to install. What you have to install? The first step, again, what you can do? You can just install the first library. Other libraries you can see. So what you can do? Pip install like this. Here you have to type pip install, pip install, pip install Azure AI.voice Live. This one you have to install. Then you have to scroll down the Pi audio you have to install for the audio generations. Install with the pip install, like the command is already given here. This you can install. If you can see here the audio format you have to remove. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. From this list, at the last here you can see audio format. You have to remove this. If suppose I think you can see. Uh, Something like this you have to remove. There should be only three options like request session, server wire, then Azure standard voice, and then modality. These three things should be here only. So the another one you have to remove it. Okay, you have to remove it. Once you remove this, just scroll down. Okay, don't scroll down. Solve all the errors. Just search here. Search here. What you can see. For this, you have to search for the. You can write Control F. Okay, Control F. Sorry. Control F, into the Control F search bar. You can see into the search bar. You have to search for the API key and just enter. Once you enter, then you can see the API key. This is not the API which we required. API key, API. Just search the API. Okay, so I will become API. Okay, API we are searching. Start voice assistant, start voice assistant. Once you search for the API, you have to go here. Just wait, just wait. I will tell you what you have to do. Just go down. Here you can see the API key. If you are not getting properly, then you can see this down arrow. Just click on this down arrow. You will be reaching to this. Line number 468. Parser.add. Parser.add. So from here, what you have to do, you have to remove everything from here. The whatever be the lines you can see, OS dot gate something, whatever you can see, you have to remove the previous code with the default. Remove this and paste your API key here. So from where you can get this API key, just remove that code. Just use double quote. Once you use double quote, you have to go back to the Azure platform. From this Azure platform, this is the API key which you can see. See, this is the API key endpoint, API key, resource key. Copy this resource key, copy this resource key, go back to the code here. Come back to the code here. Default is equals to, just paste this API key. But make sure this API key should be into the double quote or into the single quote only. Okay, so you have to paste it into double or the single quote. Just paste it. Just paste it. Is it done? Okay, once it is done, once you paste, then again once you search it, then scroll down, then again add the argument parser. Then here you can see the endpoint. Again for the endpoint, here you can see the code. The whole code you have to remove. Into the bracket you have to remove everything. Once you remove this, then you have to use the double quote. Again you have to go back to the Azure. Just go back to the Azure, and from here endpoint, just copy this endpoint. From this endpoint, you have to copy this endpoint. Once you copy this endpoint, then you have to go back, and now again default is equals to, you have to paste this endpoint here. Once you paste, this is the default, this is the default. The API key is pasted, this one is pasted, right? The second thing also you have to do, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. scroll down, but we are at the last stage. Okay, scroll down, not up. Okay, do one thing again. Once you search, also you have to do the control F. Into the control F, you have to search for the PCM audio configuration. The PCM for the audio configuration, enter it. So here you can see the PCM audio configurations. Then I will go down again. Okay. So you have to come on the line, as you can see, 374 and the 375 line. The input audio format is equals to. Okay, I will tell you. So now just come on this. Here also you have to remove the something. Just come on this page. Here also you have to remove something. What you have to remove, I will tell you. From here you have to remove the. See, first come search for the PCM16. Once you search for the PCM16, or either you can directly come to the 374 line number 374 and the line number 375. Come to these points where you can see two variables. The one variable is the input audio format and the output audio format. So anything which you can see here, you have to remove. I think you can see the audio format dot PCM16. Okay, you have to remove this. Here, I think also you can see the audio format PCM16, something like this you can see. You have to remove this both the things. You have to use the double quote and you have to write down PCM16 and then PCM16 for the both the places. Here also input audio format here is equals to, you have to write PCM16, and for the output audio format is equals to, also you have to use the PCM16. At the both the places you have to use this. Still so far it is clear. Those who are doing with me, is there any doubt? Please ask me. Is it done? Is that we should run this pip install? Yes. Into the CMD, you have to install it. Pip install azure.ai. The library which is uninstalled, that all libraries you have to install first. Then you have to use this. See, then you have to just make the changes into this. And the second thing, I hope you have just used the API key and endpoint. And the one more thing is that where you have to do the changes, I already told you. From here, see, your spelling mistake, voice alive. What I can say? Chirag, you have used the wrong spelling, like azure.ai.voice alive. Alive, no, it is only the live, voice live. You are using the wrong spelling. Azure.ai.voice, VOICELIV. You have added the extra A. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question? Can I run this? Okay, no doubt. What about other? From where? See, you have to go into 378. Line number 378. Go to the line 370. Audio format, yes. Not this, then at the top. At the top, as you can see, okay, I will tell you at the top what I have removed. See, you have to go here. Where is it? I think I come so down. From here, see, from azure.ai wireless, from here you have to remove the audio format. From here also you have to remove the audio format. And the second thing which you have to do, you have to search for the API. API. Once you search, then you have to click on the down one. Then you can come on the 467, the 467, the line number into the 467. You can see a default is equals to, here you can see something. You have to remove that all code and then is equals to, you have to paste this API key. For where you can get this API key, you can go here, you can copy this API key. This one, this is your API key, you have to copy, you have to paste. The same thing you have to do. Default is equals to anything which you can see os.get something, environment.get something, you have to remove this and then you have to paste the endpoint over here and then save this. Save this. Is it done? Is it done? Okay. Both the things are okay, right? From here, you have to just remove the last line. From here, you have to just remove the last line. Is it done? Can I run this code? Everyone. Students, are you getting this? Students, are you getting this? Okay. I need some more response. As the first day, I already told you this should be interactive session. I am not teaching to one or two students. I am not only teaching to the Chirag. I am not teaching to the release. I am teaching to the everyone, but I am not getting that response, that much response. Why? Everybody. If you have any doubt, any question, please ask me. Clear? Okay. Pujan said clear. Okay. Okay. Still so. Audio format, you have to remove, just you have to use the PCM16. Audio format you have to remove, you have to just using the PCM16 into the double quote. Clear, no doubt. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So I'm just running this code. To run it, what I will do, I will use this run button. I'm using this run button. I will run this. I hope this time you can hear the voice. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. I will run to this again. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
What is your name?
I don't have a personal name, but you can just call me assistant. How can I assist you today?
Can I call you Eva?
Sure, you can call me Ava if you'd like. How can I assist you?
Okay. So today I'm planning to learn a Gujarati. So can you teach me a Gujarati?
That's great. I'd be happy to help you learn Gujarati. Let's start with some basics. How about we begin with greetings? Hello in Gujarati is namaste or kemcho, which means how are you? You can respond with Han Majama Cha, meaning I am fine. Would you like to learn more?
Yeah, I want to learn more. I want to speak like Taro Naam Suche.
Taro Nam Such. You're welcome. Let's continue. Another useful phrase is Tamaru Spagache, which means you're welcome. If you want to ask someone how they are, you can say, Tame Kemcho. How about we practice some more common phrases or words?
Yes.
Great. Let's learn a few more common phrases. 1. Dairithi Biolo, speak slowly. 2. Main Samjitu Nathi, I don't understand. 3. A Shuche, what is this? 4. Mara Satho Biolo, repeat after me. 5. Main Maf Karjo, please forgive me. Feel free to ask if you have any specific phrases in mind that you'd like to learn.
Okay, I want to ask someone do you have, did you complete the lunch? I want to ask.
To ask someone, did you complete the lunch in Gujarati, you can say, Tame lunch puro karyo. It's a straightforward way to check if some. Of course. To respond to that question, if you've finished your lunch, you can say, Han, main lunch puro karyo, which means, yes, I finished lunch. If you haven't, you can say, Na, haji puro nathi karyo, which means, no, I haven't finished yet. Would you like to learn more responses or have any other questions?
No, thank you. Can you just stop your server?
I'm here to assist you, so I don't have a server that can be stopped in the way you're thinking. I'm always ready to help with any questions or tasks you may have. Is there
Now,
anything
can
else?
you teach me the Hindi? Can you teach me the Hindi?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you learn Hindi. Let's start with some basics. To say hello, you can use namaste. If you want to ask, how are you? You say, Aap Kais Hain for males or Aap Kaisi Hain for females. Great. Let's continue. 3. Kripya, please. 4.
Okay, students, I hope you understood now, right? So now it is working fine. Yeah, it is like pronunciation problem means it is in the English accent they are speaking, right? But I think you can understood it. You can get it. Who is getting this error? Chirag is getting the error. Environment traceback voice module agent is not voice. Well, return the code shape. What is the problem? Unicode sham map code can't encode the character in the position 0 to 1. Just try to rerun. Chirag, just rerun it. Okay, is it clear? I hope you understood it, right? So now this is the same assistant which we have successfully deployed in our system. And you can also integrate the same agent with your websites also. Any website which you have, you can just go and you can just implement the same agent with that. Okay, great. Thank you. Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question? If it is not working in your system, please let me know. I will be definitely helping you. If it is not like that, then we will be move ahead. Student, any question, any doubt, anything is there? Hello, I'm talking to you. I'm audible. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. No doubt. Okay, great. Okay, so this is the code. I will also share you the code with you. I will keep this code on the gate and then I will just share with you if in case you want. But the things which I have to do, I will remove the API's key. You have to use your own API key. Because without API key, without this AI Foundry model, it will not going to work. So for this, what we have to do, I have to remove this all data. All data I will be removing and then you can use with this. Okay, once it is done, then what you can do again, I will use this. The translator module is done. Then again, what we have to do, we have to go to the real-time transcriptions. Okay, here also we can see real-time transcription means what? Record. We can record the voice and we can see it. So here we are learning Azure, and into the Azure we are just discuss about the AI Foundry. The AI Foundry is very useful module for us. Then what I can do, I will just stop it. Right. Then here you can see we can record the voice and we can see it. So here we are learning Azure, and into the Azure we are just discuss about the AI Foundry. The AI Foundry is very useful module for us. Then what I can do, I will just we can record the voice and we can see it. So here we are learning Azure, and into the Azure we are just discuss about the AI Foundry. Right, so you can also record it. Uh, the AI Foundry is very useful. Any language which you want, you can select and you can just go with this. Recording is done now. Clear. We can do. Okay. This one is done. Again, what you can do, you can just connect with your course also. From here, you can directly open the tools, Visual Studio Code, and you can just go with this. But right now, we are just keeping the same. Fast transactions, transcription is also available. Okay, let's wait. We can record the voice and we can see it. So here we are learning. Then batch transcription you can do. Okay, let's go. Speech translation is also available here. You can also do the speech translation. Suppose trans detect and I want to convert it into the uh, applicant G. See Gujarati. We will just convert it. Hello, my name is Rohit and I'm from Mumbai. Here I'm learning the Azure, and into the Azure we have just discussed about the Azure AI Foundry, which is one of the interesting and the important topic. From last 2 hours, I am just learning about it. Hello, my name is Rohit and I'm from Mumbai. Here I'm learning the Azure, and into the Azure we have just discussed about the Azure AI Foundry, which is one of the interesting and the important topic. From last 2 hours, I am just learning about speech it. Translation, as you can see, the language in whichever language you have just recording this, it will be converting it into the Gujarati language. Even though if you want to convert it into the Hindi, it will also convert it. So again, we will use the Hindi. Hello, my name is Rohit. We have to re-record this. Hello, તારો નામ શું છે? મારો નામ રોહિત છે. હું यहाँ ગુજરાતી ના ના હિન્દી શીખી રહ્યા છે. Okay, see. So from Gujarati means little bit Gujarati, it is just converted into the Hindi, right? Is it done? Yes, voice good, Chirag good. Is it done? He understood. I hope you understood. Now that this language translator is also here. But I think this service we have already used into the previous code, right? This also you can use into your system. Again, what you can do the custom speech where you can use your own things. Then pronunciation assessment. Speaking. Hello everyone, good morning. What are you doing today? No, it is not working. Like this you can do, okay. Then voice gallery is there. Into the voice gallery, see, as you can see, are different types of the voice you can use. But let me check it. See, the voices
From
are
the research
available like
lab to the big industry players, we've got you covered.
Ava. Then this
From the
is the
research
Andrew,
lab to the big
travel
industry
agent voice.
players, we've got you covered.
From the research lab to
Then
the
again,
big
you
industry
have the
players,
B
we've got you.
Dragon is
From the research lab to the big industry players, we've got you covered.
From the research lab to the big industry.
From the research lab to the big
From the research lab to the big From the research lab to the big
From the research lab to the big
see,
industry
different
players,
voices
we've
are
got you
available. So
covered.
whichever be voice you like, the multiple voices are here.
The
The
world of
popular voice
literature
is like
opens
Brave
doors to
Multi.
new worlds, perspectives, and emotions. Join us as we delve.
The Unemployment Insurance Fund, UIF, is a fund that provides. Feel the zest of the tropics. Mix pineapple juice, coconut water, a dash of turmeric, and a squirt of lime. Garnish with a pineapple wedge and a mint sprig.
See the languages you can see in which languages this voice is available. The as per your choice, as per you can just use this voice and you can just implement this all voices in your system also, right? So you can also use this code. It is into the C sharp. If it is in the Python codes are also available. Okay, the any code, any voice you want, you can use in future. Okay, then after that, what we have the professional voice. The professional voices are here.
He returned to
also.
the field in June 2017. I can't take this anymore.
The voices also you can use. The personal voice you have to create because we don't have it. Then text to speech avatars are also available. Like suppose here, this is the avatar, right? And I will type hello, sorry. Good morning. How are you? Tell me about your today's plan. And then I will click on the generate video. See, the avatar is getting generated. As per your choice, any avatar you can create here. Also, the codes are available, but you can run this on the Jupyter notebook. The lots of the big codes are here. You have to
Hello, good morning. How are you? Tell about
install
your
all
today's
this.
plan.
See, anything, any avatar you can create. Suppose I will just delete it. I will delete it. As you can see, I will just delete it. Then I will get to the another avatar. Suppose emotional, Harry, youthful, Jeff. I will use this one. Okay, I have to generate. I will generate for this also. Just wait.
Hello, good morning. How are you? Tell about your today's plan.
But the voice is like voice is also we need. What is his name? What is his name? Name. What is his name? Harry. Harry. So we have to also change it. Harry. See the any voice which you can see, you can use. Suppose now I will use the Andrew's voice, and then I will create it. You know, because I have already shown you this voice things, right? How you can use this voice and all. Now it is just getting generating. Just wait for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Now just scroll up.
Hello,
And
good
just
morning. How
type.
are you? Tell about your today's plan. Hello, good morning. How are you? Tell about your today's plan.
You can also download it. Like you can see this.
Good morning. How are you? Tell about your today's plan. Hello, good morning. How are
Right?
you? Tell about your today's plan.
Good, Chirag. Then why this voice like female? Yeah, Chirag, why it was? Oh,
Hello, good
I hope
morning.
you
How
now
are
it
you?
is understood.
Tell about your
Right? Because it was like I use this voice. The previously to generate this, the voice you can change from here, na? I haven't changed it. And because of this, it was like voice like a female. Are you getting this? You have to use the voice and then it will generate it. Then it will generate it. Okay. So now once it is done, then again, see, you can also download, you can use, you can create your own video for this. Any video, like if you want to promotional video, any video you want to shoot with this, what I can say, with avatar. So you can do this. Avatars will help you. You can also customize this. Customized avatars are also available, but I don't have that much time. I hope you understood. You can explore this and you can just customize. You can use this all things as per your choice, as per your requirement. You can just make it like it. Okay. Then audio content generation is also available. Okay. So here you can also generate the contents and all. You have to just put the things and you can just start working on this. Right. If suppose I have any file, I don't know I have or not. Download, they are asking for the folder. Text file I don't have. Git recovery, I will try to. File fail. But like this, if you have any text file, you can upload, it will generate the content for you. Okay, still so far it is clear to everyone how exactly the this one, which model, which we can say the text model is working. Are you getting this? Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question, any concern? Students, we have successfully seen the Peach Playground. Only this service we have done still so far. Anyone have any question, any concern, you can just ask me. Is it clear? I hope it is also clear that how you can just integrate this all services with your Python codes, how you can integrate in your systems also. Okay. Yes, good. So now again, what I can do, we can just go to the content understanding. It is not important thing. The content understanding and the document file extraction, it is not also understand, right? So what I will do, I will just scroll down. So here we will be scrolling down and what I can do. Okay, just go to the content understanding. So into the content understanding, what types of the documents are here, it will be identified. Suppose this is the insurance document and what the things are here into the insurance document, it will be identified. Like how I will just click on the try it out. Once I click on the try it out, so you can also upload your own document, but right now I don't have any documents. So because of this, I'm just using this sample and not able to run. Okay. I will just go back here from here. These are not working. Okay, not an issue. I will show you, but before then, what I can do, we will go for this vision and document. The discover the information and the insight from the document, images and the video with the OCR and the multi-model AI. So from here, what I will do, I will just click on the vision plus document. So here you can see, you can identify the things. So first thing what I will do, see, there are the three sections. First is a document, second one is a face, and the third one is the image. Okay, the three sections are here. From the image, I will just click. So these are the images types, and these all operations you can perform here also. So what I will do, I will just click on the common object detection, recognize the location of the object of the interest in the image, and they assign them a label. So it will label labeling to that particular thing. So just wait. If you click here, but it will not getting identified because the connected Azure AI service, we have to connect it, the AI service, then we can create. If it is not connected, West Europe, okay, not an issue. Actually, we have to use for the East US, but right now I'm just using for the West US. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Just wait, just wait. It will just take few seconds only. You know, sometimes it take time to create the services. It is not big deal. And if you are working into IT, you know, you need the patience. Just wait here. Okay, so now region not supported. You need to create. Okay, not an issue. We have successfully created it. Once you create, just click on the image. Once you click on the image, then here you can see the person, 77.10%. The person is there. The another person which we can see the percentage, how much percent we can see, visibility also we can see here. And then we can see the subway train also. Subway train, person and person. So these are the things are here. These are the things. See, everything we can check here. Right, this is the first one. Then again into the second image also we can check, like, see, it will read all the information from here. Footwear, person, laptop, sitting, person, like how much percent we can see them, sitting, and then table also. So everything it will be identified. Then again for the another person, it will be checking here the skateboard and then person. The all data which we can see. Then here also we can see like a bicycle, wheel, and then bicycle. All data which we can see are available here. The second thing also, you can also upload your own photo and you can just analyze it. Okay. How can I analyze? How can I analyze? How can I analyze? I don't have the images. Let's try some. Okay, I have this image like. So image I have already uploaded. See, so this is a dog, 88%, right? Suppose again I want to upload the another image for this. I can also upload the another image as you can see here. Let me just check. Just wait. Okay, cat. I think now this is the cat. So now Persian cat, the main, like, see, it also I identify the breed of this particular cat by look, right? The Persian cat, 56%. So it is identified. So any image which you have, you can just get. The sample code is also available. You can also use the sample codes. See, request JSON data set. So everything is here. Okay, let's try. We will also try this one also. We will try if whether it is working or not. Metadata, the what packages we require, the data classes, addict typing, list. I don't know whether it is support in our system or not. We will just try this one. Okay. So to try this one, what I can do, see, the codes and everything is available. So I just copy it. Then what was it? Image detection dot py and just paste it. Just paste it. Where is the threshold value? The percent. See here into what is this? See. See, it is working for the accuracy. How accurate is it? Are you getting this? Okay, what I was doing, I was just copying the code. I have already successfully copied it. Code is copied. Then where is the API key? Yeah, the API key is also here. I will just copy this API key. I will go into the code. If I need to, okay, endpoint also we need, and then API key also needed. Okay, so I will just paste here the API key. API key, then also we need the endpoint. Endpoint also we need, so I will just use the endpoint. Where is the endpoint? This is the endpoint. Endpoint AI trainer. Okay, endpoint is this. Then what try is this? View code endpoint. Okay, not an issue. I have just copied it. Then if we have to check whether we need to install something, no need to install anything. Everything is here. No error into the code also. What I will do, I will just run it. See, tag table confidence 6.6, model versatility, everything you can check here. See, responses on which date we can see we are searching when it is created, size and everything, footwear, confidence. See, everything you can check here. So how you can check? Because they have provided the image. Which image? Endpoint vision feature object API key. Image URL. Any image URL you can use and you can just paste it. If suppose I have some images, then what I can do, I will just use it. Okay, I will just go into the download. I will go into the download. From the download, I have to copy some images. Okay, this is the image. I will copy one. Copy. And I will paste it into, what was the name of this folder? The folder name was GTU voice agent. Okay, GTU voice agent. GTU voice agent. GTU voice agent. I will just paste it here. Just rename it. ABC. Okay. This is the one. Then second thing which we have to do, which is nothing but your another image we have to look for. Okay, dog image we have. Copy the dog image. Go back here and we will be pasting this. Dog. Okay, so images we have paste. So what you have to do, if you have images, okay, so you can get it. Then what you can do, you can just download the images, keep into the same folder where your code file is there. Okay, so into the same thing, what you can do, you can come here. After coming here, then just change the URL. So how you can change the URL? I think the image URL is there. It was taking the reference from here. Let's check from the local machine whether it is working or not. Let's try with the local machine with the abc.jpg. Use it, run this. Error, please check the JSON response valid. Invalid, provided image URL is not valid. Okay, I will use the online image. JPG or PNG? Oh, sorry, my mistake. abc.png. Sorry, I have written the JPG. But even though we get the error, PNG, na PNG. Dog was JPG. But even though we got the error, message provided image URL is not valid. Okay, do one thing. What I can do, we will just also download the another image. I will just right click on it. Copy link address, copy image address. Copy image address. Let's see what happened to this. Otherwise, we have to use the same image from there only. Oh, sorry, my mistake. It was image address. Can you see the image? This is the image address. Image URL. It is not copied. Let's see. As you can see, means they need the proper online image. So it is using like this. As you can see, the meta, width, size, height, everything about this image you can see. Model, bounding, the name, golden retriever, confidence is 0.37. So everything about this image, it will be just retrieved. Is it clear? Like see everything the which we are seeing onto the platform, these all things we can copy from there and we can just implement in your local websites also, right? If suppose you want to implement this functionality and you no need to write the code, what you can do, you can just go on the cloud, you can just copy the functionality code and you can just implement with your websites. Is it clear? Is there any doubt, any question? Is there any concern? You can just ask me again. Okay, again what I can do, I will go back here. Okay, let's go back to the Foundry. Into the Foundry, we have done this. Okay, this is the completed. Now I will just go back. I will just go back and then again image detection is there. Then second one, the image captioning is there. Like here you can see the cow are grazing. As you can see what the cows are doing, the grazing in the field. Then the same thing, the man holding the surface on the rock, the status statue of the human holding this. And then what I can do, I will also upload the image. You can also upload the image. We can just upload the image. a man in suit, right? So type any image which you can upload, it will just write the caption for this. Suppose I am going to upload the another images, images. Just wait, let me just check it out here. Okay, use this, open it. A bowl of the hard-boiled eggs. It is identified, right? So anything which you want to see, everything you can see here. The statue of the woman holding a scale on the top of building. This one is also identified. The baseball player holding a bat. This is also identified, right? The everything, any image which you can just put here, the all images you can just identify. Then second thing, dense captioning. So here also you can see it is connected now. It will like see in detail, you can see the woman sitting on the couch with the laptops and the dogs, everything you can see. The same. They are detecting the things here. Another one. The man driving a tractor in the farm, a man driving a tractor, a blurry image of the tree, the man riding the tractor in the field, blue sky above the mountain. Then this one also you can see. The person holding the spring, Rose, Mary, and all. See. Yes, it will be identified. See, as you can see now. The multiple things are here. See, these are the images, not only. Multiple items are here. This is the image. Into this also multiple items are here. As you can see. See. Multiple items are here. Actually, I don't have such an image, but you can do with this. You can also try this code, but I think this is clear to everyone. I think no need to show it again, right? You can also do this. The code is provided. The only thing which you have to do, you have to just properly put your endpoints and the API keys. You can do this. The one code is enough for you because the same code we are doing it again, using the same code again and again. Then image research, this one is like will not going to work in. Just wait. This will not going to work for this. This is the only one thing which is not working properly. Then also we have into the images, common tag extraction, image, other images, learning, document, watch videos. Okay. Common thing extraction. Okay, it is done. It is not working that like, okay. This is just a document. Okay. Is it clear? Now next we will go to the face. Okay, this is the image, then face detection. Into the face detection also you can see. Here into the face detection, as you can see, the face 1, there is no mask. This is the face 1 also. Face 1, but mask, no mask. Then face 3. Face 3, there is no mask. Face 1, face 2, no mask. Then face 1, face mask, yes. The face mask covering nose and the mouth, yes. Both the things are here, like nose and this all things are covering, right? If the image you will upload, the it is not covering the nose or the mouth. It will also show you the face mask is there, but it is not covering the what we can say face and this. Okay, types of the image also we can find out here. Okay, let me see this image. Image with the face mask. Not covering the nose. I want the image. Okay, let's use this. This image we will be using. Okay, just save as image. But it is, I don't know. Let's see whether it is working or not. I don't know what happened to this. Let's go here on the AI Foundry and just upload your image like this. This image is not able to see. We can't see this. The similar image you have to just upload, students. If you have any image like this one is very good image, but it is not getting down. It is not freely available. Just wait, we will look for the image. This we got the image. Okay, not an issue. We got the image. We will be using the same image here. Just wait. Click. Okay. Now I'm just uploading it. Where? From here, we have to select this one image and just upload it for the face detection. See, as you can see the face. Face 1, no mask. Face 2, which one the face 2? I think this is the face 2. No, just face 1, no mask. Face 2, no mask. See, this is the face 2. This is the face 2, no mask. Face 3, no mask. Face 4, mask is face mask covering nose and mouth. Yes. Then face 5, yes, mask is there covering nose and mouth. Yes. Face 6, no mask covering nose and mouth. Yes. But also we need the one of the image which is not fully covering the nose. This image also we can use. image one, then again we will go here. We have to come here back, and then again we will upload the image. Image. We have to upload image one, just post it here. So the first uncertain, face mask uncertain. As you can see, the face mask is there, but uncertain, uncertain. And this is also uncertain. I think it is not showing properly. Are you getting this? The multiple images you can put and it will be identified by it. Ah, good one. The previous one, okay. But it will be showing the same, uncertain like this. Getting? The face mask is there, but it is uncertain. Still so far, anyone have any doubt into this? Any question, any concern? If you have, you can just ask me. This is about the face detection. The face detection is done successfully. No, no doubt. No one have any doubt. Yeah, why? You should ask me some doubts. You should have to ask some doubt. Okay, not a big deal, not an issue. Okay, so next, let's move to the next one. For the next one, face detection is done. Then we will go to the document. So into the document, there are the different types of the document you can use. So you can also upload your own document, but right now I am using the same one which are available over here. The all available documents we will be using from here only. So see, this is a document, this is an invoice, any common invoice. If you want to extract the information from this invoice, the AI can easily extract this. How? We have to just run it. It will analyze all the things. What is the name? What is the price? What is the date? Everything which is available into this, everything it will be going to find out. So as you can see, 123 bills STD, red moon, like see, all things, all data for this document reading. It will read all the types of the invoices which are available. Even though if you have the invoice, you can upload it. It will just check all the information from this. But right now I don't have any invoice, so I'm not using it. Okay. It is just running. It is just analyzing all the information over here. And it's analyzed all the information successfully. Now you can see the things here. See, all the things are successfully done. So the same thing you can do with the US tax forms, receipt. So everything, the document, a credit card, everything is there. The cards is also marriage certificate, everything for the all documents you can do the same as like this. Document you can upload and it will identify the things. Also, we have the code. You can use the same code and you can just do your stuffs. But you know how to use the code, and right now I am not using it. Permitted, okay. Azure Code Credentials, Azure Code Document Intelligence. How they have endpoint and the key we can put here. Form. Okay, let's try with this code also. We will also use this code. Just copy this. Just go into the Visual Studio Code and just create a new file. Document reading dot py. Just enter it. I will just paste the code. I will just paste the code. Then again, you have to just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Very first thing you have to install these packages. How you can install this? I will just copy, open the terminal. Any terminal which you have to open it. So I will go here. Then I will just type here. Pip install, enter. Document intelligence, it is a library which we have to use. Okay, it is done now. The library installed successfully. Then other than that, we have to, what we have to do? The no extra libraries. We can't see any extra libraries here. Okay. So as we can't see extra libraries, then what we can do, we have to connect this with the API key and endpoint we need. Okay. So Azure endpoint here we can put, and the second thing, the key which we require, we will be using this. So the endpoint, this is your endpoint. See the top one, which you can see, this is the endpoint. You have to copy and you can just paste here. This is the endpoint. The second thing which we require, which is nothing but your API key. So this is the API key. You have to just copy. Again, you can just paste here. You can just paste here, save this. And what we require, the document is already there. I will just run it. Let's see what happens. So now, as you can see, successfully all the information has retrieved from it. Everything you can see. For this, you can create your own web page and you can show this all information to this. Also, what I can do, I will search for the any online invoice. Online dummy invoice. Just search for it. Online dummy invoices. Okay, I'm using this one. Let's see whether the image is working for this. I think image is only working for this. I will remove this. See the path here, you can see. Yeah, they are only using the image only. So we will be just removing this image and we'll paste it. Save this and then again you have to run it. Let just wait for a few seconds. From here we have to it is too big. Oh, this one is also that big. Let me try this one also. Okay, it is not working, but yeah, if you get the proper URL, it will be going to work only. I'm not getting it, but if you get, you can just try with this. But it is extracting all the information, right? So from this Azure, we are using this code, and you can also implement this. You know why I'm showing this Python code? Do you have any idea about it? Why I'm showing this? You can do all the things, but why I'm showing this? Students, why I'm showing this? Because you should implement this all functionality with your websites, with your applications, right? Any application on you are working. So you can connect this all with that only. And because of this, I'm just showing this all thing. Are you getting me? You should show this all things and you should connect this with your own application. Because of this, I'm just showing this. Is it clear? Okay, once this is clear, now second thing which we have to do, what second thing which we can do is, okay, so now image identification is done, the face detection is done, document detection is done. The same for the all document, the same functionality will be there. And the another thing is like you have to, the codes which I'm using, the same way you can use the codes also. So many functions are here, okay? So the last thing which I want to show you, this one is very important for you. We have to create a chatbot. Okay, the chatbot, the generative AI chatbot. As someone was also asking for the last session. So whatever we have learned, now we have to create our chatbot. And this chatbot we will be using in our system, right? So just scroll down, scroll down. After creating at the left hand side, you can see so many functions, right? You can do the fine tuning. I hope you know the fine tuning. What is the meaning of the fine tuning? Into the fine tuning, the model is already created. You have to just improve it. You have to retrain that particular model. And in that concept, we can say this is the fine tuning. Okay. Then after this also you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down here, you can see a multiple option. The option, the models plus endpoints, then data plus indexes, and then web apps. Okay, these are the options as you can see at the bottom, my assets. You have to go into the my assets, the model plus endpoints. Please click on the model plus endpoints. Model plus endpoints. Okay, once you create the model plus endpoints, then here you can see the option. See, here you can see the option called deploy model. Okay, this is the option. This is the option called deploy model. So into the deploy model, you have to click on it. You have to deploy it. And then here you can see two types of the models. The deploy base model and then deploy the fine tuning model. So, but for this, what I will do, I am going to use this one, the base model. To deploy this, I will use the base model. So what I will do, I will just click on the deploy base model. Click on the deploy base model. Click on the deploy base model. Once you click on the deploy base model, so there we have the GPT models, means these are the LLMs. From this, you have to use the one of the LLM. The LLM is called, just scroll down, because see, you are already aware about the LLMs, what is the LLMs and all, what is the AI, everything you know about it, right? So because of this, I'm not explaining it again. But here, you know, to create any generative AI model, you need the LLMs. So for this, we are using the OpenAI LLMs called GPTs. Okay, so here we will be using the GPT-4o. GPT, you have to look for the GPT-4o. GPT-4o. See, this is a GPT-4o chat completion responses. Yes, you can just click on this. Just click on this. Once you click here, then here you can see the direct from the Azure models. Direct from the Azure model are selected portfolio curated from this market. Secure and the managed by the Microsoft. Purchase and the managed models directly through the Azure with the single license. As you can see, this model we don't need to purchase because this is purchased by the Azure. It is comes in your subscription. As into the last session, someone was also asking the OpenAI is a paid. But now if you have the account, so no need to take that paid account. Like a paid, you no need to pay to the OpenAI because Azure has already license for this, right? And then all the dependencies that consistently support, and no third party dependencies backed by the Azure and the enterprises grade infrastructure. Streamline operations, benefit from the unfilled billing, governance, and the semblance PTU portability across the module hosted on Azure. All part of Microsoft Foundry. Future ready flexibility, access the latest module becomes the available. So any module which you want, all the modules are available. Key capabilities, if we talk about the key capabilities, about this module, the as measure on the traditional benchmarks, GPT 4.0 achieves a GPT-4 turbo level performance on text, reasoning, and coding intelligence while setting new high watermark on the multi-language audio and vision capabilities. For which capabilities like it will support to the text, image processing, JSON model, parallel function calling, enhance the accuracy and the responsiveness, parity with the English text and the coding task compared to the GPT-4, turbo with vision. Okay, so these are the features. As you can see, if you want to do, you can also explore everything over here. Okay, so these are the supported feature. What I will do, I will just confirm it. I will just click on the confirm. It is just getting created over here. GPT-4 global standard deployment. As you can see, the date and everything, the key, how it will be authenticated. It will be authenticated by key. The project name is there. Resource location will be West Europe. 10K token per minute and vision. Then you have to just click on the deploy. Just click on the deploy and wait for it. Click on the deploy and wait for it, right? So now it is created. Also, once it is created, so they have also given us the code. You can also use this with your code, right? So I will show you how we can use this with our code. This is a simple chatbot. Now, if you want to see your chatbot, then what you have to do, you have to just simply click on the open in playground. To see this, you can just click on open in playground. Just click on open in playground. Just click on open in playground. Now you can simply ask the question, what is Gen AI? Just wait for a few seconds. The generative AI is refers to the subset of the artificial intelligence that focuses, as you can see. It is supporting, right? The all information. This is a simple chatbot, like a chat GPT. Again, I will ask what is, whether it is write the code or not, right? A simple Python code. Just wait for it. Okay, it can also write the Python code. What is your name? Alice, hello, Alice. Okay, it can also write the code. Okay, I will ask the write Python code to find prime number. Okay, the chatbot can create a code for you. The code is created. Okay, now we have successfully tested this. Now we have successfully tested it. Now the next task is we have to connect this with our uh, local machine. Okay, the all things which we have to do with our local machine. To do this, what we can do, I will use first this one, this option. Okay, close this. I will use as deployment as a web page. Okay, then select the subscription. Phi CD, right? The resource name also, we can also deploy this. Now what we have to do, we are trying to deploy it as a web page. Okay, so you can see at the top one option is there. One option is there. I will just click on it and then deploy as a web page. Once we can write down the name, the smart chart board. Okay, then subscription type you have to select Phi CD. The resource group, which resource group we can use? The same resource group I can use. What was the name of it? Like AI Foundry GTU. Location will be East US, right? Location will be East US. Pricing plan. We will use currently a free one. Enable the chart history in the web page. Just deploy it. Your web app will be configured with the extra invalid template deployment. The template deployment is not valid according to the validation procedure. Okay, let's change the plan. Basic B1. Okay, if it is not working, then one simple thing I will tell you how you can deploy it. You can just go into the code. If you cannot directly deploy because of some subscription plan and all due to the pricing value. So the simple thing which you can do, what you can do, you can go into the view code. Just go into the view code. From the view code, you can just, okay, don't go into the view code also. Just go back from here. Once you go back, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Once you scroll down, the basic code sample is there. As you can see, this is the basic code sample. So for the basic code sample, what I can do, I will just copy this. I will just copy this code. I will just copy this code. Once I copied this, then I will come here. I will come into this, then I will use it like a chart board. Chart app.py. I will use it. Okay, where you can find it, I will tell you. You can see from this page, you were no, which is the page? See, previously you were on this page. You have to come back from one step. Like you can see this. You are on this page, right? So you have to just go back. Once you come back, so you can at the right hand side you can see get started. Just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, and then here you can see run basic code samples. So just copy this basic code. Either you can just copy this one also. Any one code you have to just copy. Copy this basic one. Just copy this basic one. You have to just copy this basic code. Okay, once you copy this basic code, then you have to go into the Visual Studio Code. Once you go into Visual Studio Code, you have to just paste it. You have to just paste it. You can just paste this. You can just paste it. Okay. Once you paste this code, now here you can see the endpoint is there. The endpoint is default. They have just given the same endpoint. But the second thing which you have to use, the subscription API key. Okay, as you can see here, the subscription API key. So for the subscription API key, you have to change this API key. So how you can change this API key? Just go back here again. Once you go, just scroll down. There is the API key. As you can see, this is the API key. Just copy this API. Just copy this API key. Just copy this API key. Once you copy this API key, you can just paste this API key here. Just paste this API key over here. Once you paste this API key, just save this. Just save this. Once you paste it, now just scroll down here. See, you are the helpful assistant. Then it is written by system. Okay. Now user will provide the input to this. So what will be the input? As input, you can see, I am going to Paris. What should I see? Okay, what should I see? So this is the input. You can change it also. And then output, which we can see. Just run it. Just run this. It is communicating from this Python code. The Python code is communicating with this Azure only. As you can see, the all output here you can see. Paris is one of the most beautiful and the culturally rich cities in the world. There is an abundance of the iconic landmarks, stunning architectures, world-class arts, and the charming neighborhood to explore here. So list of the must see the attraction, like so many things are here, right? So it is written. So I can also show you how you can just create the web page and your own chatbot with this only. I will show you this. We can easily create it. Okay. Still so far it is clear. Still so far, if you have any doubt, any question, you can just ask me. I hope those who are doing with me, they have also completed. No doubt, or you have a doubt? Yes, completed. Is it completed for all? Okay. Now see, you know how to create a chatbot. It is very easy. Okay. So now the main task is that how you can implement this task, this chatbot with your, what I can say with your, what I can say, Python code. Okay, how you can implement with Python code. Now what we will do, I will create one web app for this, and that web app I will be deploy on the Azure again, like a previous one, and you can see the all the output. Okay. So first thing we have to create the front end and the back end for this. We will be creating a front end and back end for this. To create the front end and back end, we will be using the Flask. Okay, to create it, you have to use. One more thing, to run this, you have to install this OpenAI, okay, and then you can run it. Now it is working fine. So now what is our task? Now we have to use the Flask for this. So what you can do, you can go into the terminal. Just go into the terminal. Into the terminal, you have to type pip install. Pip install, and you can write like a Flask. Pip install Flask. Just install it. Pip install Flask. Once you install it, now what you can do again. Okay, once you install it, then okay, then go at the top into the code. Into the code, you have to just write down input from input Flask. Okay, I will just importing the Flask. Then after this, I will also do one thing. I will create one app variable is equals to Flask. We will be using this name. Okay, Flask underscore name. This I have just created one. So we have to create the server to run it So we have to create one server to run it. Then, okay, we have to create the server to run it. App dot underscore underscore name. It will be underscore underscore name and we have to just run the app. Okay. Once it is done, then again what we can do, we can just go at the top. You have to go at the top. You have to use $1. Okay. You have to use $1 where you can write down the root and then this empty. Okay, then once you write down this empty here, slash, what do you have to do? Def, I can write down the function name indexed, index, and then we will be using this return HTTP from the Flask render template. So here we can write down the render template into the template. Again, you have to create the template over here. So for to create the template, what you can do, inside into this, you have to create one folder. The folder name should be templates. Templates. Are you getting this? Students, if you have any doubt, any question, you can just ask me. Template is you have to create inside into the template. You can just create this one. What I can say, the HTML files, and we can connect this HTML file to this, and inside into this, we can just write down everything. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm just taking one break. Okay, sorry for this again. See, once you're done, you have to go into the templates. Into the templates, you can create a one file called index.html. Okay, template is there. Index.html is there. Into the index.html, we can create a simple format of the HTML. Here I can write the index file. Index file for the testing only. This index file is only for the testing. Then we will go here again. Here flask.am. Then what I can do, I will just write. Okay, this is done. This is done, and here I will write down the file name. What is the file name? Index.html. Save this. Once it is saved, HTML file will also save. Then go into the Python code, Python code, Python code, Python code. Into the Python code, I will do one thing also. If name is equals to . the main. The name is equals. Then what we can do, I can write app dot class. Okay, what happened into the index dot? Okay, this is just a title, na? Not an issue. We can just make it properly. Index. Okay. Rename it. Where is the rename option? Is it okay now? As you can see, is it okay now, right? Okay, so index is there. Then we have to go chart APK. Then once we come here, it can be like this. Okay. Now I can see everything is there. Then if we have any error into this, we will have to check it. So for this, what I will do, I will just run Python chart app.py. Python chart app.py. We will just running it. Just wait whether the server is running or not. Now our server is running fine. Right. As you can see, the server runs fine. See, if you want to see all the parameter, I will tell you. See. So very important thing, you already aware about this, the OpenAI. The OpenAI basically why we are using to get the access of the GPT model, right? For to get the access of the GPT model in our local system, because of this, we are using the OpenAI. The Flask is a framework for the Python web app development. So lightweight web app whenever you want to develop, so you can easily use your Python application, Flask application. This is the format. The Flask, we are just creating the app, and at the last, as you can see, we have created if the main is equals name is equals to main. If the main is equals to the name is equals to main means the server should be continue running. As you can see, now no need to run this server again and again. And as our system is run, our code is run into the local server. So because of this, you can see the local server IP address. Okay. This is the only thing for the about the Flask which we are using here. Are you getting this? These are the only parameters. The route, this is the route, this is the inbuilt function, or we can say it a decorated function. And here, this is the URL. This is the URL. Means what? Whenever you search for the first page, when you click on it, the first page should be open here only. The first page using this, what we can say the IP address, this first page should be open. If I see, if I click on it, the first page you can see index file. Why? Because I have given this. If I write here the index, if I write here the index, I save this, I can't see this page. Okay, I have to just stop the server. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just stop it. Again, I will just run. To run this Python, we are using the name of this particular file only. Just wait. Server is getting start. Just wait for a few seconds only. Okay, so server is run now. I will just open. It is already open. I will just refresh it. So now you can see the not found the page. Why it is not found? Because the server is running on this, but the actual URL is like, what is the actual URL? As you can see, the URL is called IP address, and then after the IP address, we have this index. So with this index only we can use it. So to do this, I can be only use like, see. So I have what I have to do. I have to write down the index, and then I can see the index. Extra thing which I have to do. So because of this, what we have done, we are not using for the first page any URL name, so that we can easily use it. Again, I have to rerun the server. I have to rerun the server. Okay. Once I rerun, then we will get this into here. This is the first page only. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to enter data from this front end. We have to create one form. We have to enter the data from the front end, and we have to see the output from here. Output for here also, right? So into the next session, what we will do, we will be continuing with this. Like we will be creating the web page over here. Then one form will be here. And then using that form, we will be filling the data. Like suppose here I am creating one form. Like suppose the form tag is here, then you have to write the actions. Then method will be which we are using, which is nothing but your post method. Okay, so there will be one form. I am just writing the chart for this. Okay, you can just write down the name called chart. You can just write the name called chart and save this. Just save this. Once you save this, now at the output we can see this. Okay, server is not running here. Python, then what the name we have to write down? Chart app.py. Chart app.py. Chart app.py. Okay, so now chart.app.py is open. So as you can see, so what we will be doing, I will enter the data into this, and this data will go to this backend. Okay, backend, we have to create the submit button as well, and then we will get the data. But we have to send this data first backend. So as we only left with the 5 minutes, so other things we will be continue with from the next session. Are you getting this? Still super, what we have done, we have successfully created the chatbot on the Azure. So now we are just deploying this chatbot using web applications. Are you getting me? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So in the today's session, what we have learned about? We have learned about the AI Foundry. Okay, so into the AI Foundry, we have learned about the language translation, then image identification, vision model, everything we have just seen. And recently we are just creating a chatbot. The chatbot is created successfully. We have also tested the chatbot, and the LLMs which we are using for the chatbot is nothing but your 4.0, right? So face detection also we have seen, right? So everything is working fine, and we are not performing practicals on the Azure. The practical which we are performing on the Azure, the same things we are connecting with our web applications. In the local machine also we are running this, right? Okay, so still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question, any concern? If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. We will be just continuing from the next session. I am also sharing the attendance link and all. Just wait. I am about to share the attendance link.